In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to can you reverse payroll QuickBooks. If you've just caught an error in payroll, don't worry, there are clear paths to correct it, whether the direct deposit hasn't gone out yet, has already processed, or if taxes have been filed. I'll walk you through each scenario so you can choose the right fix and keep your books clean. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Then, if the payroll was submitted recently and the funds haven't been withdrawn, open your payroll history. Go to Payroll, then Employees, and open Paycheck List or Payroll History. Find the incorrect paycheck, open it, and choose Delete or Void. If the direct deposit hasn't processed yet, this cancels it. If you don't see a delete option, the payment may already be processing. Timing matters here. Bank cutoffs can be early, so acting quickly increases your chances of stopping the deposit before it moves. If the funds have already reached the employee's bank, you may be able to request a direct deposit reversal. Go to Payroll, then Employees, and open Paycheck List. Open the paycheck and look for Reverse Direct Deposit. This option must be requested within 5 banking days. Keep in mind, bank approval is required and not guaranteed because the funds have to be retrieved from the employee's bank. While that request is pending, avoid creating duplicate fixes. Wait for confirmation so you don't end up with double adjustments. Often, the most common resolution is simply voiding the paycheck. Head to Payroll, then Employees, open Paycheck List, select the paycheck, choose Void, and confirm. When you void, QuickBooks automatically reverses the wage expense, adjusts payroll liabilities, and recalculates taxes tied to that check. Afterward, review the employee totals and the affected pay period to ensure everything lines up with your correction. If payroll taxes for that period have already been filed, make a payroll adjustment. Go to Payroll Settings, select Adjust Payroll Liabilities, enter the correction details, and save. In this situation, you may need to amend tax forms such as the 941, 940, or W-2 so your filings match the corrected payroll. Keep clear notes about why the change was needed and which pay period it affects, as that documentation helps with any later reconciliation. That's it. Choose the scenario that matches your situation, move step by step, and verify the results. With these tools in QuickBooks, you can correct payroll accurately and keep your records compliant.